Hey friends, hi. So in this video, I'll show you how I created this 50 seconds video by using just about this 5 or 6 images. So we were doing a project for a client where we wanted to create a 3D animated video for their 1 BHK flat. And we had this 5 or 6 rendered images, but then we didn't have much time and we wanted to get a video done. So let me show you how I converted these 5 images into a 50 seconds video. So let's get started. Right. So the very first tool that I used was Leapix. Now this is an amazing platform which can convert your images into 3D animated motion videos. So let me sign in and get started. Right, so while it's logging in, okay. So the first thing that I did is I got my images onto this platform. So I click on upload. So I go to my folder where the images are. Right. So here the images are. I started loading them onto this software. Here we go. So now it's creating a depth animation for this image. Yeah, we're almost there. Right. So I pick up the animation style. I use this style which is zoom. Right, so it's given some motion to the image. It's converted the image into a 3D motion. You can use any style that you want, but for this video I'm selecting the style of zoom in, and that does my job. I export this, which gives me an MP4. So I've got my first clip ready on this image. Now I upload the next image. Right, so I select this one and I open. I say, are you sure you want to replace the image? I say upload. So now I'm converting my second image into the motion video. We're almost there. Right. So again, the animation style is zoom in, and it's given the motion to this image, where we've used the zoom in style. Right. So I've got the second clip ready. Now I export this, and I've got the second MP4 ready. So now we go to the third image. Now I use this bedroom image. Now I've covered the living room. I go to the bedroom. I say upload. Right, so the image is getting rendered. We're almost there, about 88%. There we go. So I'm using the style of animation which is zoom in. So I got this depth animation ready for this image. Right, so even this clip is ready, so I export it, and this third image has been rendered into the motion video. So now let's go to the fourth clip. Alright, so now I would select this kitchen image, this one. Okay, so are you sure you want to replace the image? I say upload. Right, so now we are creating the depth animation for our fourth image. Almost there, about 88%. Right, so that's ready. So I use the same animation style, which is zoom in. Here we go. So we got our fourth image into the depth animation and the video is ready. So I export and the fourth video is ready. Now let's go to the fifth image. Right, so I use this image of the bathroom. Are you sure I want to replace the image? I say upload. Right, it's processing the depth animation for this image. You're almost there, 75%. Right, so it's about to get ready, 88%. Alright, so it's done. I use the same animation style, zoom in. So got the depth animation ready for the fifth image. So even this clip is ready, I hit export and I get the clip for this image as well. So we got almost 5 clips rendered into the depth animation video. So all the 5 clips are ready. Now next what I do is I go to the next tool, which is called Render Forest. Now this is an amazing tool which has got some tons of templates. You can select any template that you want and insert your videos into that template and get your output done very creatively. So if I get this drop down, it's got various animation styles. You can select any, you can go to video presentations, video invitations, you select YouTube videos, animated explainers. So you can use any format that you want. All pre-done templates are ready. All you have to do is insert your video clips in that template and export a beautiful video. For this video, I used something called slideshows. So in slideshow, there are tons of template. So I use this one and I have exported my video. So I'll take you to my editing timeline. Right. So here we are. I have got all my clips. See, these are all the clips that I have imported over here in this template. This video which we got rendered in Leapix, I have imported over here in this template. So this is the clip number 1. So this is clip number 2, clip number 3, clip number 4, clip number 5, and then the clip number 6. So we rendered all of these clips in Leapix. We gave we converted image into 3D depth animation. And now I have all my clips I have inserted in this template. And right, so all I've done is I go to preview and I say HD export, and it is exported into a beautiful animated video. I'll just show you the video. It's ready. I'll just go to the video. Right, let me play the video for you. Right, so we are almost there. So as you can see, almost 50 seconds of video clip got ready using just these 5 or 6 images. That's the power of AI video tools, my friends. So all I did is I used Leapix to convert my images into 3D depth animation, and then I went to Render Forest where I used all the they've got some amazing pre-done templates. I just used slideshows. I sort of imported all my clips into this timeline, and I got this beautiful video animation ready in no time. All it took me was about an hour to do this, to convert my 5 images into this beautiful 50 seconds animated clip. So that's the power of AI tools. I've given the links to Leapix and Render Forest in the description of this video. You can sign up and get started. So there is free access available to both the platforms, and you can create this video in no time. So that's it for now, my friends. Thank you so much, and I'll see you sometime very soon in the next video. Bye.